Arabic Classroom presents Read and Write Arabic. Read and Write Arabic is dedicated to new learners of the Arabic language. Our goal is to get you to read and write Arabic in the fastest time possible. We do this using carefully designed interactive activities. For example, click and listen, put the alphabet in order, practice how to write, and word building. These are just some examples of the activities we've developed, and we hope to add even more in the near future. If you're interested in learning with us, please visit www.arabic-classroom.com or email us at info@arabic-classroom.com, or you can call us or send a message on WhatsApp or Telegram on +44 75 45 122 053.